Si Dave, may trabaho ngunit hindi siya nagbibigay suporta sa kanyang asawang si Nina at sa kanilang 3 anak. Lahat ng gasto, si babae po yung kumbaga gumagastos o lahat ng kanilang pangangailangan. Maaari bang gamitin, Kuya Mark, ito na basis para ipawalang bisa yung kanilang kasal o mag-apply ng annulment?
Yung dalawa yan, okay? May mga options siyang gagawin. Dito mga tayo sa criminal case, bawsi yan. Violation against women's rights and children's rights, yung tinatawag na failure to give financial support. Kasi if you're the father, hindi kailangan husband eh. Hindi kailangan husband. The mere fact that you are the father, you have the obligation to give support to your children. So, hindi kailangan nga asawa or kasal kayo. The mere fact that you're the father, you have the obligation. But the obligation to give support, hindi lang obligasyon ni nanay yan. Obligasyon din ng tatay. So, ibig sabihin, si tatay dapat magbigay ng support, si nanay dapat magbigay din ng support. Hindi dapat iasap lahat kay tatay. Yun yan. Otherwise, kung hindi ka nagbibigay ng support, you can be liable for economic abuse, you can be liable for yung tinatawag na psychological abuse under Republic Act 9262, VAUSI. That is the criminal aspect. Let's go naman sa civil aspect. Let's go to legal separation. Pwede ka mag-file ng petition for legal separation on the ground of abandonment. Basta yung abandonment, hindi ka nagbibigay ng support, inabandona mo yung asawa mo at saka yung mga anak mo for at least 1 year without justifiable reason. So, kailangan at least 1 year without justifiable reason, hindi ka nagbibigay ng support, hindi ka nagpapakita, walang emotional support, walang psychological support, pwede ka mag-file ng petition for legal separation. In petition for legal separation, ang sinabi ko lang, i-recognize lang na batas na hiwalay kayo, but kasal pa rin kayo ng asawa mo si Nina. Di ba? Pwede ka din mag-file ng annulment of marriage on the ground of psychological incapacity. Kasi yung failure to give support, maybe you have a psychological problem that you cannot comply the essential marital obligation of marriage. So, hindi mo kayang gampanan ang obligasyon bilang tatay kasi ikaw mismo may psychological problem. Maybe you have a narcissistic personality disorder, you have an antisocial personality disorder, or borderline personality disorder na mas mahal mo ang sarili mo, dami kang mga, mas mahal mo ang image mo, mas hindi mo wala kang pakialam sa pakiramdam ng ibang tao in that case. So that can be a ground for psychological incapacity para kung ma-approve ng korte ang annulment mo, pwede ka nang magpakasal ng pangalawa.